I'm going with the Canon R6 Mark II RF 100 to 500 lens. And we're shooting wildlife and a little bit of landscape. And like loads and loads of different ones. It's a lovely view. Those flowers there look beautiful. Oh. Little butterfly on there.
Is that a dragonfly?
Is it a dragonfly or a butterfly? It's a dragonfly.
Yeah, there's just one there.
Oh, you've got beautiful colours. Look at that. Oh, he's landed in there.
Is that not a moth? It looks like a moth.
Oh, is that a moth? Is that a moth?
No, it might be off.
Oh. That looks like it'd be so nice and cold. You don't think that's cold?
No, it's not deep and it's in the sun.
Go touch it, but it's cold.
Right.
Yeah. Because you know you'd be proving me right.
No.
Yeah. Like, smell the fresh air, the sounds. There's no motorway.
Yeah, my nose is very clear.
You know what I mean? There's no dust, there's no pollution.
I'm trying to go home back to it all.
It's just the trees and the smell of them. Blessed. No, no. Hello, if you are enjoying the video so far, please hit subscribe if you want to see more of these POV photography, hikes and walks in nature. Hello little sheep.
Oh
Oh. Yeah, it is a pheasant. Hello, little lamb.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, the babies. Oh, I didn't see the babies.
How have you not seen the baby?
I'm 5 foot nothing. Hello. Oh, hi. Oh, that's so cute. Hi, I know. Are you pretty? Oh, that's so beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought about you.
Bye bye.
Look at his nose. I like the fluffy ones over there. Oh. Oh my god, hello. Oh.
There is a little bird. There's 2 little birds on the electric line. What are they? Don't think I've seen them before. There's loads of them. Look, can you? Oh, there's loads of them flying around. There's 2 there. Beautiful little birds. Oh, there's a barn swallow. A ducky. Hmm?
Under the leaves.
Oh yeah.
It
Oh.
looks like he's stuck, to be honest.
Well, I can see the visitor centre, which means we are almost done with today's video, with today's mini walk / hike, with how much up and down we've been going. Some good exercise, some nice photos, and another day being outdoors. So, lovely.